Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with another Chanel unboxing. This is two different items. Neither are bags, and my first ready-to-wear purchase. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about it, but first let me just get into this first item, which is in the smaller bag. This is obviously, I think, not the ready-to-wear piece, but I was so excited that my sales associate had these in the boutique. When I saw them online, someone had styled them with the black heart bag wristlet, and it was just like so chic. I figured, well, let me just get into it. So here's the box with the new paper camellia. Stick that there. I'm doing this standing so that then I can try on the ready-to-wear piece for you. Normally I just sit on the floor. I'm like a very low maintenance YouTuber, but here we are. Okay. So obviously this is a pair of sunglasses. The ones I picked are I think I have what they're called here. These are from 22S. They are the white CC black and gradient gray pilot sunglasses. So here's all the information. My sales associate knows I like all the details, so he's like, I included this other container box for you. Like normally they dispose of it, but and here they are on. Pardon my ring light, but it does help. So I just like how it's like a little bit more pop of contrast, but like a very fun summer sunglasses. These just kind of spoke to me, and I really like Chanel sunglasses. They're very high quality, and these, I just thought they'd be a lot of fun. They're more for like a neutral vibe, but the white makes it so they're like not so heavy. So that's item number one. What is going on there? So this is the first item, and these actually match the other ready-to-wear piece I selected. These retail for $600. So pilot sunglasses, and here's the little tag that just kind of slipped off. Throw that in the box. These cases are like so big and bulky. That's the one thing I'm like not a fan of. I just feel like what Chanel bag would this fit in, really? Like none. I mostly just use like a little sleeve if anything, but I'm also very guilty of like with sunglasses just like sticking them on my head. It is what it is. Okay, so those are the sunglasses that I picked up. And this other item, so I've started my Chanel ready-to-wear journey, which is very exciting. But because I am a larger size, I'm a US like size 12 or 14, more 12 on top, more 14 on the bottom. There's not a lot of Chanel selection in store. But the thing is they actually make up to a US size 20 in certain Chanel items. Like they produce plus size clothing, and that's like not widely known. You just have to order it in advance. And so I've ordered a sweater for 22A, and then for 22K, I've also ordered a jacket and another sweater. But this came in, and my sales associate texted me. He was like, actually, are you interested in this? And I went and tried it on, and it was so perfect. So I'm excited to share it with you. So it came in this like very nice garment bag, and I want to find the right side. It's like, oh, it's all very cutely like hooked together. Okay, so the garment bag is like through the hanger, through the loop. Oh, and there are snaps. Okay, wow. So the garment bag pull is kind of cute. It looks like a little lighthouse. To reveal this cardigan from 22C. Here, I'll share the details. So this is like a black and white, lightweight kind of spring cardigan. It has the little silver CC buttons and white trim, and it comes with this hanger, which is very chic. And let me try it on for you. So this is a size 44, which I think is US 12. It's French sizing, but it's like it's like so hard because it's like US 12, depending on what store you buy the 12 from, could be very different. So I think my sense is that a Chanel 12 is like a tight 12, not like a generous 12. But this piece is cut a little more generously, so you know, there's that. Okay, and then let me look at the tag. This is 99% cashmere and 1% elastane. And I don't know what boards is, but there we go. And it comes with some extra thread to fix it and buttons. I think it's so funny. They have like, you know, there's those jewelry that's online that are like, oh, made out of vintage Chanel buttons. But there's like way more jewelry than I think there are buttons left over from ready to wear, right? So I don't know how real that is. Anyway, that was a side note. So here is my cardigan. And I'll back up so you can see a little bit. I'm just wearing a black t-shirt and leggings, but actually like I'm a very casual dresser. So I like, you know, some of the things that Chanel makes wouldn't work for my lifestyle, but this works very well. And I'm like, you can see I'm like bottom heavy, pear-shaped, I guess is like the polite way. And this like flows over like both parts of my frame. So this is the sweater that I'm very excited to get. I'm like starting to build my ready-to-wear collection. I just wanted to invest in some more pieces that will last a really long time and will, you know, make me really happy to wear and just feel really special. I swung too far into the direction of fast fashion and now I'm kind of swinging back again, but this is something that I think will always be in style. Like it's a long boyfriend cardigan. It's a classic piece and it'll last years and years and years. So here I have my little mini heart and I just put this silly pearl chain on it from Amazon. I thought it looked kind of cute, but it kind of adds to like the black and white moment. Hold on. It's all twisted. Little silly Amazon chain. We're trying it out at least. But it'll look like this. And I'm wearing like my bunny slippers. By bunny slippers, I mean Ugg slippers, so don't judge me. Oh wait, with the sunglasses. Hold please. Okay. So you tell me if this is the look. No, I'll tell you. I think this is the look. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I think it's like so nice. It's like subtly Chanel. It's very well made. It'll last a long time and I'll just feel like super chic and special every time I wear it. So I'm excited to wear it to our upcoming trip to Europe and then, you know, shopping or out on the town, out to dinner. I think you can like dress it up or dress it down. And it's not too flashy that like I couldn't wear it to work or something like that. Maybe not the heart bag and the sunglasses to a work meeting, but you get the idea. And I also wanted to share it too because I feel like, you know, a lot of people who share Chanel ready-to-wear and Chanel clothing online are all like more standard sizes, being like from size 2 to 8 and being slightly bigger, and buying Chanel, like they do make it, they do offer it, they do welcome it. So I would say that if you're interested in it and you know you're 10, 12, 14, 20, talk to your sales associate about it. They can order clothes. Some clothes are cut bigger, but they do go up to, I think it's US size 20. They don't post that anywhere, but that's what I've read online at least. So anyway, this is the sweater. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you have any Chanel ready-to-wear that you've been loving, leave it in the comments section down below. Let me know your favorite Chanel item from this video, unless it's the heart bag, because it's like, it's freaking everyone's favorite right now. Yeah, and then otherwise I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Okay, see ya.